Thank you for watching our guide on how to enjoy Tiana's Bayou adventure at Walt Disney World. Let's explore what makes this ride special and accessible. When it comes to theme parks, many visitors worry about navigating rides on a mobility scooter, especially when it comes to accessibility and comfort. You might be wondering, can I even get on the ride with my mobility scooter? Will I have to leave it behind? These are all valid concerns, and that's exactly why we're here to help. One of the biggest misconceptions about mobility scooters is that they limit your ability to enjoy the ride. But in reality, many theme park attractions, including Tiana's Bayou Adventure, are designed with accessibility in mind. By understanding the layout of the ride and the accommodations in place, you can enjoy the experience with confidence. As you come in this side of the ride right here, always be aware of your armrest or getting snagged on any corners of these walls, as it does get a little tight. From the moment you step into the queue, you can tell that this ride is meant to be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of ability. The queue, for example, is designed to be wide and spacious, making it easy to navigate with the mobility scooter. You'll also find designated areas for mobility scooters, so you can rest assured that you'll have a place to park while you ride. Hello, how are you?
Young man, are you able to walk a little bit? You will walk down the ramp and you're able to get on the ride, okay? Get off the ride, okay?
Yeah.
How about going down the stairs, you okay? Okay, would you park it next to a chair right over there?
Sure.
Against the wall?
Thank you.
Alright.
Should I back it up or just park it a little?
Either way, back it up if you want.
Okay. How about that? Is that good like that? Park it like
Yeah, that's fine.
We're
not crowded.
Then you should check out the band.
Nobody wants to ride because it's cold out, right? And then right there you see you will park your scooter right there. And then there's a little ramp right here. You're gonna come up the ramp.
Nobody's gonna know. Everyone's gonna know.
And you're gonna go to the right. And there is the ride right there. That's pretty much as far as the walk. A little bit of a ramp here, so if you have knee issues, you're going to be walking down the ramp. But there is the ride. We want to try not to, we don't want to get wet, right? Not tonight. over the summer, I'd be sitting in the front.
No, it's not hot.
And some people are able to bring their wheelchair up this far if you need it. And they can pretty much get you right within a few feet of the ride if you need to. I don't know if you can bring a scooter in this far, but I do see that you can bring a wheelchair. Now I see people who can't walk very far. Are you able to bring a scooter or just a wheelchair in this far?
As long as you have an issue with walking long distances, you can always bring your scooter or chair.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Thank you.
y'all again soon.
All right, and then as you come off, you're gonna walk up this little ramp and back to the scooter. It's a little bit of an incline. Have a good night.
You too. Have a good night.
And here's another little bit of a ramp right here. And then there's the scooter. And here it is. So that wraps up Tiana, and that's how that's done. And then you're just gonna ride your scooter right out of here. It's gonna take you over here past the pictures, the photos. If you have photo pass, take a look, and then you're on your way out.
Oh, we're up there.
Just some quick thoughts after riding Tiana. It's very easy to do. I would say it's probably one of the easier rides to get your scooter on and off of. You just kind of follow the little ramp around. You saw what we did right there. They'll point you in the right direction, and then they'll open up two little sections. The ride queue changes from time to time, so you will notice that. But for the most part, it's kind of the same configuration every time. And then they're going to open up one gate. They'll open up the other, pull it right in. That's about as close as you can get. Then they said you could actually bring it right down to the boat, which is like basically 5 feet away from where you actually get in. So if you can't walk, if you're not very mobile, they can do that for you. But even that little distance where they make you park outside is close enough. A little ramp to get up, but it's very convenient, very easy to do. So don't let the scooter or anything like that. If you're in a wheelchair, make sure you ride Tiana. It's worth it. You will enjoy this ride. You may get wet, but that's part of it. It's good this summer day. So give it a shot. I hope we were able to help you and show you what it's like to board Tiana's Bayou Adventure on a mobility device.